Welcome back to AI 101. Today, we're looking at how to use AI wisely in your everyday life and work. The most important thing to remember is that AI works best as an assistant, not an absolute authority. It's a tool to help you, not replace your judgment. Think of it as a versatile helper that can speed up those repetitive or time-consuming tasks we all face. For example, AI is excellent for drafting emails or rewriting notes to make them clearer and more professional. It can also summarize long articles or reports, giving you the key takeaways in seconds without you having to read every word. If you're stuck on a project, AI is a great brainstorming partner for generating new ideas or outlining a presentation. It can even help you organize your notes and plan your daily tasks more effectively. And if you're learning something new, you can ask AI to explain difficult topics in simpler, everyday language. But while it's fast, it's not always right. That's why your role as the human in charge is so important. To get the best results, you need to provide clear instructions and enough context. Be specific about what you need. Instead of just saying, write an email, tell it who the email is for and the tone you want to use. Once the AI gives you an answer, always review and edit it. Never just copy and paste without checking. Verify facts and numbers, especially when accuracy matters. Remember, AI can sometimes make mistakes or hallucinate facts. There are also times when you shouldn't use AI at all. High-stakes situations require human wisdom. Avoid relying solely on AI for legal, medical, or financial advice, or for situations involving deep emotional or ethical judgment. Privacy is another critical area. Be very careful about the information you share with AI tools. Never share sensitive personal data, passwords, or confidential work information. Assume that anything you type could be stored. Wise AI use is all about balance. It's about finding where the technology is helpful and where your responsibility begins. Keep human judgment in the driver's seat. Use AI to empower yourself, not to switch off your critical thinking. In our next lesson, we'll explore how to spot AI-generated content and misinformation. See you in part 7.